Today I'll show you how to make chicken karaage using air fryer. It's super easy to make with simple ingredients and it takes less than 30 minutes. I'm using my Breville Smart Oven air fryer, but you can use other types of air fryer you have. Preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let's get started. Cut the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. I'm using boneless, skinless thighs. Typical deep-fried karaage might be a bit larger, but smaller pieces will work better for this recipe to make them crispy in the air fryer. Next, season the chicken. Soy sauce, garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, and pepper. And stir to mix well. Except the soy sauce, there is no wet ingredient such as sake or fresh ginger we normally use for deep-fried karaage. I don't want the chicken to get too soggy. You can leave it marinated for a while, but there is no need to. Chicken pieces are small and seasoned very well. In the same bowl, just sprinkle all-purpose flour and potato or cornstarch and stir until the chicken is coated. This is my air fryer basket. Oil the surface or use a liner just like that. This is a parchment paper for air fryer, which is very convenient and the meat does not stick this way. Spread the chicken without touching each other and put it in the air fryer oven and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown and crispy outside. Adjust the time depending on the oven and the size of the chicken. These look just right. Serve immediately. This is a perfect dish to make when you crave for karaage or fried chicken, but you don't have time or energy to make deep-fried food. And it's a lot healthier than the deep-fried chicken. Chicken comes out crunchy outside and juicy inside. It's so good. 美味しい。